Today I'm doing a product review on this KVD Apple Balm Foundation that has been a viral TikTok sensation.
Please comment, like, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.
The packaging is a clear plastic. So this foundation cost $38. I bought it on Ulta.com. There's around 40 shades and I used a shade match quiz and got matched to medium 042, which is golden with peach undertones. Because I'm combination skin type, I'm applying this with a stippling brush to avoid a cakey look. And since this is a high coverage foundation, I'm also able to cover this blemish easily. If you do get too much product, use a dry beauty blender to absorb that product back up. I'm continuing with the rest of my routine using a color corrector by Tinted to color correct around my eyes, then applying concealer as I would normally do around the high points around my face, then blending it all out with the brush. Then I'm setting all of that with this pressed powder by Dragun Beauty. Because I am combination skin type, it's really important to set the makeup to avoid any oiliness later. To balance out the highlights, I'm using Hoola Caramel Bronzer. And then applying lashes, like boom, and there you go, that's the finished look. So overall, whether I'm happy with the KVD Apple Balm Foundation, I would say that it's comparable to other full coverage foundation. And for my skin type, I actually prefer liquid foundation. So overall, for $38, I think there's plenty of full coverage foundations on the market. Really go for what works for your skin tone. There's no magical formula on this KVD foundation. So really choose what's best for you.